How to reset password of your Martcost account. Search Martcost keywords on Google search engine. Click here and open Martcost.com official website. Now, click on Reset Password button. Enter your registered email address. And next, click on I am a not robot. After then click on Reset My Password button. Now check your email account. And click on Reset My Password link. First, enter your new password. Second, enter your confirm password. After then, click on Change My Password. Finally, your password has been successfully changed. Join now, Digital Education Martcost.com. Go to store, www.martcost.com. And contact now, services@martcost.com.